The rise of eco-smart gardening, 2025's top trends for your home vegetable garden. In 2025, the modern home garden is undergoing a transformation. Urban and suburban growers alike are embracing a new wave of eco-smart techniques that blend traditional gardening wisdom with data-driven innovation. One of the most compelling shifts is the return to perennial vegetables. Unlike annuals that require replanting each season, perennials like asparagus, rhubarb, walking onions, and Jerusalem artichokes not only save time and effort, but also rebuild soil and support pollinators. Gardeners are now prioritizing food forests, layered gardens that mimic natural ecosystems. These forests include trees, shrubs, ground covers, and vines, producing food in a harmonious, self-sustaining loop. Incorporating native plants into these systems further enhances biodiversity and reduces the need for external inputs, like fertilizers and pesticides. The movement is redefining beauty in gardens, prioritizing resilience and productivity over ornamental perfection. Water scarcity is shaping gardening practices across the globe, and in 2025, water-wise gardening has become a non-negotiable standard. Growers are increasingly turning to wicking beds, self-watering raised beds that use an underground reservoir to deliver moisture directly to plant roots. This system minimizes evaporation and allows for consistent hydration, especially in arid and drought-prone zones. Rainwater harvesting is also experiencing a surge, with compact, barrel-fed irrigation systems becoming staples in urban gardens. Soil health is being protected through mulch layering and biochar amendments, both of which reduce water loss while feeding microbial life. Companion planting, an ancient method being refined with current research, is now used to reduce pests and promote plant synergy, cutting back on water and chemical usage. This conservation-conscious approach isn't just smart, it's essential for the future of food sovereignty. Technology is becoming more accessible and integrated into home gardens. In 2025, smart sensors that measure soil moisture, pH, and nutrient levels can now sync with mobile apps, allowing gardeners to receive alerts and tailored advice in real time. These devices, once expensive and niche, are now affordably mass-produced and often solar-powered. Gardeners can optimize yields by adjusting planting schedules and irrigation patterns with precision. Another emerging tool is the AI-driven garden planner, which uses climate data and crop rotation patterns to suggest ideal layouts and planting windows for specific regions. Beyond individual tech, community data-sharing apps are building collective wisdom. Gardeners upload photos, pest sightings, or disease trends, which the platform uses to warn others in the area. This decentralization of expertise empowers more people to succeed and adapt rapidly to climate and ecosystem changes. Eco-conscious materials are changing how we construct and maintain garden spaces. Biodegradable seedling pots made from rice husks, coconut coir, or compressed paper are replacing plastic trays. Trellises and support systems made from bamboo or recycled metal are chosen for both aesthetics and sustainability. Even soil amendments are going green. Home composted kitchen scraps, vermicomposting with worms, and fungal inoculants are enriching garden beds without synthetic fertilizers. Gardeners are now building living edges, dense plant borders that prevent erosion, retain moisture, and provide habitat for beneficial insects. These innovations are not just eco-friendly, but deeply regenerative. In 2025, Gardens are becoming living laboratories for circular systems, where waste is minimized, inputs are locally sourced, and outputs nourish both people and planet.